Guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. In today's video, I'll be showing you my client's hair. For some reason, she let me know some oil that she put on her locks caused it to break off. And this has been probably maybe about 5 months ago, maybe, because it was like this also last time she came in, but it has been growing, thank God. And what it has done is you see that how the locks are coming away from her, the actual root. The way that her hair is, though, she has locks that grows away. Her new growth grows away from the lock. Some people have new growth grows with their locks, and some people grow away, and this is how hers is. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repair it. I'm showing you the items that I'll be using. This is not a tutorial. It's just kind of showing you how I am going to repair it. You see how it's like really, really thin, and that's the area that it broke off. And when I say looks much better than it used to. So we are now working on her locks, getting them together, and I am going to use the second row is the area that was breaking also, but I'm going to use a little bit of a very little tiny bit of human Afro kinky hair to fix these couple of locks. And when I use it, you see how much thicker and better it looks. You just have to make sure that you get some good Afro kinky hair. I'm showing it to you, and I got it from Amazon. I'll provide a link, and you just use a little bit, and you just use the crochet hook. I like to use a 2-prong and just crochet the hair. There's a lot of different videos out there to show you how to do instant locks, and it's actually that method. You'll just do that with the hair or dreadlock extensions. That's a way too. You can look at those videos. But I am done repairing, and like I said, it's not a tutorial. Just want to show you your hair can be fixed just because it may have broke off or it grows away from your locks. Main thing that you want to make sure you keep up with your maintenance, especially when your hair is curly or your hair grows away from your locks. Keep up with the maintenance and everything will go well. And just showing you how everything is back to normal. And if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll chat with you guys later. Bye, guys.